Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes. Now, I absolutely love these kinds of problems because this is where we take the slope, which is pretty standard from pre-algebra, algebra 1, and now we add a little algebra 2 twist to it, where we're asking you to solve for something you don't normally get asked to solve for. If you take a look at the problem, I've actually already given you the slope. Awesome. What I haven't given you is one of the values in the ordered pair. In fact, we're missing y2. y2 is the missing value. That's what you guys are going to need to solve for. Let's go ahead and do this one together and see how it turns out. Remember that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, m is going to be equal to y2. I don't know. It's an r. Okay. Minus y1, which is a 1, all over x2, 5, minus x1, which is an 8. Now, I have two unknowns. I have an m and an r, except in this problem, m is not unknown. I told you what the slope is. Let's plug that in. 1/3 is equal to r minus 1 over 5 minus 8, or negative 3. Alright, well here we go. I need to get this r all by itself. Hopefully you think right away, well, in order to get that r all by itself, I'm going to need to get rid of this negative 3. Since I'm dividing by a negative 3, I'll need to multiply that negative 3 to the other side. That's exactly what you should do. Let me slide this up so we can see. And here we go. I'm going to multiply this side by a negative 3 times the 1/3 that's already there, and that's all going to be equal to r minus 1. What happens when I multiply a negative 3 times 1/3? You're right, those 3's cancel. I'm left with the negative 1. So negative 1 is equal to r minus 1. To get that r all by itself, let's add this 1 to the other side. Add it to the other side. Negative 1 plus 1 would be a big fat 0. I don't like the order symmetric property. To flip it, r is equal to 0. And what you have found was the missing ordered pair in this guy up here. Let me draw you a little line for it. There you go. So you know that that ordered pair should be 5, 0. 5, 0. Great problem. Absolutely love this. Look for things just like it in the homework quizzes and tests. It's just a nice little Algebra 2 twist to your standard slope problems. That takes care of all the problems on this page of the notes. Head on over to the next page and we'll take a look at another one. I'll see you there.